My name is Jason Abila, Traffic Operations Manager. I've been here since 2013. We got a new public works director, and he came from South Florida. Of course, they have hurricanes there as well. We were talking about communications, and he was like, "Have you ever heard of Starlink?" And I said, "Well, sir, I sure have. Let me tell you a little story about this." We had Hurricane Beryl. During our hurricane, we experienced cell blackout, everything, the whole nine. It got me to thinking, what else is out there besides cell towers? Got with Paradigm, we installed Starlink. And he looked at me, he was like, "Well, what do you mean we installed it?" I said, "Well, we have it running an intersection." He goes, "Is that even possible?" In Missouri City, it is. So at this intersection that we have Starlink in, with applied information, we can monitor it from our TMC. Also, we can monitor it from our phone, iPad, laptop on the cloud. If we have a problem, if somebody calls in, we can log in from wherever we're at and make sure that everything is working properly. This was a test run to see if Starlink does work. So we installed it and everything has been working with preemption, with communications, is doing its job. If we don't have preemption here, PD cannot get through here. Fire cannot get through here. It's a matter sometimes of life and death. Also, we have connected vehicle.
Get ready for green.
With our connected vehicle data, we must have ITS working properly, and we're using Starlink as the backbone of that network. The plan is to install multiple Starlinks at rural area locations. This project cannot be done without the help of Paradigm Traffic. It met my goal and exceeded it as well. I am very grateful that right now we're leaders of the industry.